Gayatri Mantra, the mantra that inspires our intellect to the righteous path. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Solution to problems. Burgess was sitting in his print media office when a student came in and said, "Sir, my financial condition is not good, and because of that, continuing my studies has become difficult. May I get a job, please?" Burgess appointed him as a newspaper distributor. After the student left, one of the employees asked Burgess, "Sir, whenever a student comes, you offer them some or the other job with handsome money. What is the reason behind it?" Burgess got lost in his childhood memories. Burgess's father was poor and was not able to provide financial support for his education. He mentioned his problem to his friend David. David advised him, "I distribute newspapers in the morning and my financial problem has been resolved. Would you like to do the same?" Burgess said, "I have trouble waking up in the morning. Then how shall I be able to do it?" David said, "Do you have trouble getting up in the morning, or you don't want to get up in the morning? Friend, for how long will you keep yourself tangled in the chains of problems, making excuses here and there? Free yourself and come with me to the newspaper office and start working from tomorrow." Burgess understood David's point about how long he would keep himself tied up in the problems. Burgess started working hard and his financial problem got resolved. When Burgess went to the college, even at that time, he worked as a part-time tutor, which helped him create a bright future for himself. Children, all great men are not great by birth, but become great because they work hard even when they have so many problems and obstacles. They become great due to their wisdom and uninterrupted efforts to overcome their struggles. They work hard to find solutions to their problems and free themselves from the chain of excuses. Another example is Lal Bahadur Shastri, the former Prime Minister of India. Once, his teacher asked him to bring his textbook to school, else he would not be allowed to sit for the exam. Shastri was too poor to buy the book, but what a wonderful idea he came up with. He borrowed the book from his friend and copied the entire textbook overnight. Next day, when the teacher saw his hard work, he was pleased with his dedicated efforts and appreciated him a lot. Do you know about Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? Once his father said, "Son, we are too poor to get you an education." What did he do? Did he remain entangled in the problems? No, he made friends with school-going kids. And in high school, when he was facing difficulty in paying fee, he studied hard and attained exceptionally high grades, due to which school authorities waived off his fee. It is possible that you have problems in your life too. But do you know, where there is a problem, there is always a solution. It has been said, considering the problem as a problem is the biggest problem. So, always try to look for the solution to the problems. Adopt the solution in your life and move ahead. In your life, there is always an open door. But if you keep on paying attention to the closed doors, you would never be able to see it. That means, if you keep on thinking about the problems in your life, then either you will never find the solution to it, or even if you know the solution, you would never act upon it. Therefore, if you want to move forward in your life, then rise above the problem, look for the solution, and act upon it. And one more thing, when you become something like Burgess, help the ones in need, because it is our duty to help others. Now closing the story with a note from our Gurudev, Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. You can overcome the problems only by facing them. Thank you.